Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at crypto.com, one of the few crypto exchanges standing. Okay, maybe not. But FTX, a little bit of a problem. You guys know Voyager has had an issue. Celsius, same problem. FTX, problem there, potentially. Hang on for more news coming soon. Hopefully, it'll be okay. But we've had a resurgence here in the last couple days of crypto. Let's go back to the main driver of the ecosystems, Bitcoin. Let's look over the last month. We had a massive drop over this last few days, and it's recovering. We're up to 21, 22 almost, all the way down to 16, 15, 8, something like that. Whew, massive drop. Okay, so hopefully we have good support at 15. I did get a little bit more there, around the 16 mark. But I think we're going to recover from here, hopefully. These exchanges, I know Crypto.com is one that came out and said, yes, we will show you fully audited books of what we have. But Polygon, that was a huge winner the other day. It was massive. Alright, let's look over the last week. We were up here, $1.27, dropped all the way down to 76 cents, and we're back up to over $1. So, yes! You guys know I really like Matic. So I'm very strong. What I want to look at today here is one of the overlooked cryptos, okay? Didn't have a real big move. You can see it's up a little bit. Digibyte. Now, if you guys haven't seen Digibyte before, it's an interesting currency. The history on it is pretty interesting. Goes way back here, 2015, even before. But you can see here, it had a massive spike all the way up to like 16 cents, almost 17. I was like, yeah, this is the stuff. But got derailed. So let's take a look at what it's doing today. Alright, over the last month, you can see it also got hit along with the Bitcoin thing. And it was way down, but now it's recovered a little. I wouldn't say a lot, but it's recovered some. So this is good. So let's go take a look at what Digibyte is all about. So this is a deep dive into Digibyte. Okay, market cap 116, not bad, pretty low. Rank is 165. Volume 3.7 mil. Alright, not bad. Circulating total max supply. Alright, a lot of it out there. That's why the price is kind of low. Which could be a concern going forward if the supply increases. Could be an issue. But let's take a look here. It's a crypto that is public, growing, rapidly growing. We'll take a look at that. It's highly decentralized, I agree. Digital assets can't be destroyed. Perfect on the blockchain. I like it. Can't be counterfeited. Well, maybe. Can't be hacked. Well, we'll see. As more and more powerful computers come on board, hacking, counterfeiting things could be an issue down the line. We'll see how that goes. All right. It is a good system. I really liked it early on, but let's go look. You see 24, it's been around since 2014. Long time. So it's not dead, but let's take a look at the website here for Digibyte. You can see it's secure, fast, forward thinking. Okay, those things I agree with. All right. What makes it stronger? Well, it's rapidly growing. Maybe not so much. After 8 years, All right, it's decentralized. Agree. That's a true statement. Didn't have an ICO. All right. It is definitely secure. It has 5 cryptographic algorithms, which is an interesting approach. All right. It's fast, very fast. 40 times faster than Bitcoin, 10 times faster than Litecoin. Very good, very fast. Can't contest that. Negligible fees. Fees are very low compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum. All right. You can see DigiShield. Okay. Multi-algo mining. Okay. Some of these things didn't really work out or take off, but they exist. So what is Digibyte? Go watch a video. I'm not going to play it here. But there's 3 layers. All right. And it's very fast. Right. Applications, okay. Everybody can build applications on the net, right? CRO has really done a really good job with their NFT space. You guys have seen, and the credit card is marginal at crypto.com now. But okay, these dApps, a lot of dApps built in the DeFi wallet over at crypto.com. So definitely a space that could be explored and exploited more. It's a public ledger, okay, fine, everybody's got that, big deal. The big deal is 5 proof of work algorithms. Now that's pretty good for security. Here we go with the core protocol. Okay, there you go. Thousands of people are running Digibyte software across the planet. Are they? Well, if we could increase that number, that would be better. Open source, permissionless, okay, under MIT license. Now here's the big thing. Digibyte protocol on GitHub. So if you guys aren't familiar with GitHub, it is a developer site for developers. Very good, open source. You can share code, share ideas. It's pretty awesome. Now if they can expand their presence on GitHub, they're going down the right path. Here's a little bit of stats. Okay. And history started back in 2013. Okay, great. Here's 2014. 2014, some more stuff, real time. More algorithms. Okay, keep going. 2015, 17, 18. So you can see these are somewhat big milestones, okay? But 2019, you can see we're getting towards the end. And then 2019's last big milestone development. And then we hit the roadmap. So let's click on the roadmap and see where Digibyte's going in the future. Now, I have a good idea, but let's take a look. Here's what's in the pipeline, ICO project, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here are the smaller things they're trying to do. All right, here is the big thing that's driving. Bounty available. If there's no bounty available, what gives the incentive for people to work on it? There's not much, right? So there's one that's potential, and it's being worked on. All right, videos for the website. All right, cool. But you can see all these things that don't have a bounty available, nobody's working on. So what good is that? All right, here's some bigger things. All right, longer term projects. Bounties? Yes, potentially. No, somebody's working on one without any bounty available. Interesting. It might be a Bitcoin person. Rebase off latest Bitcoin core. Well, you don't know. Alright, so some of this stuff might be over everybody's head. Lightning Network integration, if they can get that, that is a golden ticket right there. That would be awesome. So potentially bounty available, but nobody's working on it. Come on, guys, get on that. Lightning Network integration, that thing is gold. All right, here we go. Here's some developer stuff. Okay, blah, blah, blah. A lot of TBDs and not yets. Okay, big deal. Third party. Okay, good. And things that are completed, there's only 2. So bounty available and completed, 2. Okay guys, we need to get on this development side. Where are my developers? Hopefully you guys see this video and you guys hook up with these Digibyte guys and you can get some bounties set up. Not a lot of people working these right now from what I've seen, but it could grow. You can see the branch is 12 commits ahead of chilling silent. Okay, fine. All right, so we need more developers, and go sign up and help Digibyte regain its acceleration. Press the accelerator into the Lightning Network. So that could be a key for the future growth. So I'm banking on you guys and my watchers, my listeners, to go and get involved in Digibyte. We need to grow this network. We need to grow the functionality. We need to grow everything on the ecosystem. And here we go. Put my money where my mouth is. 20 bucks. Okay, big deal. 20 bucks, who cares? Well, when this is $1 a piece, it's going to be a big deal. Not that it was going to get that far because there's so many coins out there. But you never know. We could get there. We could get back to that. Let's see how we're doing here. All right. You can see they've registered. And I should be getting my 5 diamonds anytime now. Hopefully. Maybe. Diamonds? Hello? No? No diamonds? Wait, did I unlock it? So now we have diamonds. We're going to go into the vault and we're going to get a mystery box. Alright, let's see what we're going to get today. Gold, platinum, diamond, silver. Okay, let's see how many CRO we get. Alright, 5.4. That's pretty decent, okay. CRO has taken a bit of a hit recently. So, not as great a prize as it used to be when CRO was $1. That would have been awesome, $5. But now that CRO is 8 cents or 9 cents, not quite as good. You can see here we are back at 9.5 cents. All right, over the last week we did have a nice little burst up to 12, almost 13, but that was short-lived. But I still have faith in the crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin halving still a way off, so we're still in the doldrums in the winter. We could have some good days, could have some bad days, but overall, we're going to go up sooner or later. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe for more crypto and stock trading and investments. Thanks for watching.